Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is National Eat a Peach Day, but it's also Super Simple Saturday. So today we're going to be making a super simple avocado and peach salad. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun and you love simple recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below to find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, super simple recipe today, avocado and peach salad. Now I went ahead and peeled and sliced my peaches because I don't want to bore y'all with slicing and peeling. But I did decide I wanted to go ahead and show you how easy it is to peel with one of these serrated peelers. I did a little segment on a tip for Tuesday not too long ago talking about serrated peelers versus a regular vegetable peeler because I didn't even know these existed and they are wonderful. So this is the regular serrated one. This comes in a set. There's a regular one, a regular vegetable peeler, a serrated vegetable peeler, and then a large serrated one, which I've been using for like hash browns and that sort of thing. But what I love about it is how easy it is to remove the skins off of something that has, you know, really delicate skin to it. So like peaches, apples. My favorite is probably kiwi because I like to take the whole kiwi and slice it for like a fruit salad instead of just, you know, scoop it out of the skin and eat it. And kiwi is kind of a hard one to get the skin off of. But look how easy that just comes off of there. It's just, it hardly wastes anything. I just think these are fabulous. And like I said, I had never seen them before, so I was excited. And even if I'd use a serrated peeler, you know, to do potatoes or something like that, this gets the job done twice as fast using a serrated one. So I don't even know what good the the regular one is. But anyway, I did want to share that with you guys. So I'm going to set this aside. I'll throw the rest of those peaches in later. All right, so I have 3 tablespoons of a really good olive oil here, and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. The citrus press is really great too, because if you see, you would take your citrus and you place it cut side down, so whenever you press it, it turns it inside out. So it literally gets like every drop of juice. But I always say, if you don't have something like this, you can place your citrus in the microwave for a few seconds, roll it around on the counter. Both of those things will help you get a little more juice out of there. Okay, so set that aside. I'm going to whisk this. And then I'm going to throw in, about 2 tablespoons of honey. That looks about right. So whisking again, just until we can get our honey incorporated, kind of dissolved into the oil and the lemon juice. And I love to make a dressing like this just for a regular salad too. It doesn't have to go on, you know, avocados and peaches. It can go on any kind of salad. All right, so a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Now, this recipe calls for a Fresno chili, which I don't even know if we have those around here. So I just grabbed a mini red pepper and I just sliced that up. So that's what it called for. It also calls for 1 small shallot finely diced. So I'm adding that in. I'm also going to add in the pepper. Give this a little bit of a stir. And then I've got 2 peaches here. All in all, I'm going to have 3 when I get done because I'm going to slice the other one and put it in here too. But we'll go ahead and add this for now. So I just want to kind of give this a toss, get those peaches nice and coated. And then we're just going to let this sit. We're going to let it sit for anywhere from like 15 minutes to an hour and let those, you know, flavors kind of develop. And then we will add our avocado in. All right, I think our peaches and our dressing are ready to go. It's probably been about a half hour or so. So I went ahead and took an avocado and I sliced it. Now, this should be like 3 peaches and 2 avocados, but my avocados just weren't really ripe. As a matter of fact, this one wasn't as ripe as I would like it to have been. So I just put 1 in here. So it's totally up to you. But we'll give this a good toss. And then let's get ourselves an avocado and a peach and give this a try. Very good. This would be perfect for a summer evening with like some like seafood tacos or something. I like the way those flavors go together. Very good. And it's also pretty too. So I hope you guys give this one a try because it's quick, it's simple, it's healthy, and it really tastes good. So I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.